Shekhar from Dayanand Sagar Institute. Sir, could you tell us something about the work that you do at Dayanand Sagar?
See, at Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, we are mainly working with focus on environmental aspects. So we are mainly dealing with the wastewater treatment and synthesis of new materials. So that is the focus of our interest. And so we are still developing something related to nanomaterials. We have developed a center for nanomaterials recently, and some work is going on that aspects.
Sir, could you please tell me how, why was it important for you to attend the awareness program organized by the CWC convention?
See, this CWC convention is very important because it tries to give you the focus of where the chemical weapons are, because you will be dealing with lot of chemicals which you may not be directly or indirectly knowing what they are used for, what is the end use of the chemicals. So it is necessary for every academician or the younger generation to know what they are trying to deal with, so that they are aware what would be the use of it or how it is going to be used in the industry. And this Chemical Weapon Convention will try to help the students in trying to understand what the industrial scenario is, what are the industrial norms an industry has to undergo when they need to start up. So for a beginners, so when they think of being chemical engineer, starting some new industry or something, then they can try to know this. They have to undergo this chemical weapons convention and how the world is made safe, right? So that is very, very important. We don't know how the world is made safe unless you know that there is a convention and there is an international body which is monitoring in each and every country how this production of destructive chemicals is being monitored. So that is what I feel it. In that way it is very helpful.
Sir, we went through a lot of presentations, okay? They explained the verification, the detection, the monitoring, the e-filing. Sir, from the whole presentation, what was your key learning, that you can implement and talk to your students about?
With regard to that learning, I mean to say that that's what. At a younger generation, we must try to see that how these chemicals are being used. Okay, what are the classification? How this can be misused by the community. So the various, that is what I feel that is more important to learn and convey to this thing to the younger generation.
Thank you so much, sir, and I wish you all the luck with speaking to youngsters about the awareness of the CWC convention. Thank you, sir.